So at 12, he was sent away for schooling in the Hindu sacred scriptures, and 4 years later, he returned home to marry a princess. Sacred means holy, scriptures means actually the religious books, but here we can say a place where religious books are taught, okay, or the language which is given in religious books that is taught. And after 4 years, he returned home to marry a princess. They had a son and lived for 10 years as befitted royalty. Befitted means suited, royalty means rich life. Royalty means rich life. At about the age of 12, 25, the prince, heretofore shielded from the sufferings of the world. Heretofore means before now, shielded means protected from the sufferings of the world. While out hunting, chanced upon a sick man. Chanced upon means met a sick man, then an aged man, then a funeral procession. Procession means group of people who are taking a dead body to burn. And finally, a monk. Monk means a homeless person, okay, who moves here and there and does meditation and all, and begging for alms, okay. So actually up to the age of 25 years, Gautam Buddha was completely protected from the sufferings of the world. He never got to know actually what are the sufferings or what is the meaning of sorrow, because he was very happy. He was living a rich life actually, we can say, as he was born with silver spoon, okay. So he was just happy and rich. But one day when he was 25 years old, one day he went for hunting, and there he met a sick man, then an old man, then he saw a funeral procession, means some people were going to take the dead body to burn and all were crying a lot. And then he saw a monk, a homeless person who was begging for alms, means who was begging or asking for food, clothes and all. When he saw all these people, he was completely confused why they are like that and why he was very rich. He was just confused that why in life some people are happy or some are sad, okay. These sights so moved him that he at once went out into the world to seek enlightenment, okay. So what did he do after seeing this? He wanted to know the real truth behind life. He wanted to know what is the meaning of real life. So he left home and went to have enlightenment. Enlightenment means a spiritual knowledge, okay, concerning the sorrows he had witnessed. He wandered for 7 years. 7 years he moved here and there. He moved in the forest, went to so many, we can say, monks, went to so many gurus and all, and finally sat down under a peepal tree where he vowed to stay. Vowed means pledged. He took a pledge to stay there until he got enlightenment. Means he just sat under a peepal tree and did meditation, clear, until he would get the spiritual knowledge.